Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Hades filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. Okay, so to get this filter on Instagram, visit the game rewards. When you go to the profile, you will see the profile like this. You have to go to this effect gallery, the smiley button. This is the effect gallery. Okay, if you can't see this effect gallery, then what you can do, you can refresh the page by dragging the page like this, and you should see the effect gallery. So go there, and the second one, this is the filter. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray, and you can tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon and open it with Instagram. Likewise. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.